You will be amazed by this 2018 Lincoln MKZ. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a powerful, refined MKZ that has everything you need to make your daily drive feel exceptionally comfortable and secure. From its refined cabin to its premium audio system to its driver assist technology, this four-door sedan infuses every journey with confidence and style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power passenger seat, keyless start, active suspension, satellite radio, backup camera, multi-zone AC, Wi-Fi hotspot. Quiet power blends with premium comfort in this expressive MKZ. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.